Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to bring you a video. It's another recall, and this just goes to show you that a lot of vehicles are having issues right now, not just Hondas and Acuras, but kind of across the board. And this one just got released a week ago, and it's pretty concerning because it affects a lot of vehicles. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what this has to do with. So like I said, recently there's been a ton of recalls on just different vehicles. Honda and Acura's had their share, Toyota. But it seems more and more each week, another manufacturer has some major recall coming out. And like I said, this one just came out last week. And it's concerning because it's on some popular vehicles that I bet some of you guys have in your driveway right now. So I want to keep you guys informed just so you can make sure you guys are updated and get your cars fixed ASAP. And this one affects over 90,000 vehicles. So it's a pretty substantial recall. And it's from GM. And the problem with this is it has to do with the vehicle's transmission. And the problem is the transmission control valve can cause tires to actually lock up while driving. So this is caused from the control valves getting too much wear. And this causes the loss of pressure within the valve. And it can also result in harsh shifting as well. And then also brings out, not only does it lead to harsh shifting, but it can cause the wheels to momentarily lock up. So you can imagine if you're driving down the road and the wheels just automatically stop turning, it could definitely cause an accident depending on how fast you're going. So that's kind of a major concern. And here's the vehicles I'll put on the screen here, the vehicles that are affected by this. And like I said, there's some popular models here. So it's a 2020 to 2021 Cadillac CT4, then the CT5, the 2019 to 2020 Cadillac CT6, and then the 2020 to 2022 Chevrolet Camaro. So, like I said, a lot of popular cars here that are affected by this. And then what's interesting about this one is it kind of goes to show how they're trying to make it seem like not a big deal, because GM had previously looked into this issue and said since the lockups lasted less than 150 milliseconds, that it wasn't enough for a vehicle to lose control, and they closed the investigation. But then this past November, this was reopened because an investigator found 115 reports of the wheels locking up, leading to an accident. So you can definitely see how they said they closed it and said it's not enough to make an accident occur. It's not a big deal. And then lo and behold, later on, there's 115 cases of this, and it actually caused accidents. So it's kind of a major thing because they've already seen that there is an issue with it, and it can be very dangerous, especially driving, and then your wheels just lock up. And the longer this goes on, the more wear that control valve will get, and it could increase the chance of this happening. So you definitely want to get it checked out and fixed if you're one that has a recall. So GM said it'll start notifying owners of these vehicles next month. But again, like I said, I'm always a fan of you just contacting your dealer, let them know that there's a recall on these if your vehicle falls in that category, and they can look it up by the VIN and see if yours is one that is affected, and then get it fixed. And then what they're going to do, they're going to put new transmission control software that will detect excessive safety valve wear and prevent the wheel lockup from happening. So that's how they're going to fix that. So again, I just want to let you guys know because a lot of us have different vehicles other than Hondas and Acuras. So it's good to stay on top of all the recalls going out no matter what vehicle you guys own. This way you can take care of your car and avoid any excessive issues or having an accident. That would be the worst case scenario too. So again, just want to keep you guys informed. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. And I'll have videos coming out weekly as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.